What is up, guys? Prank Sinestro back, and before I start this video, I just want to say I'm going to be doing toy unboxings during my YouTube channel. So today I'll be looking at these. See? And I don't know if I've got this one, so let's open it. Oh, I've got a Green Lantern. Green Arrow. Let's just have a look here. I really like what they did there. See, that's that one. Here's the other one. Oh, we got BANE. Man, that looks really cool. So yeah, just have a little look at this minifigure. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.